Next, add a with property to the constructor and assign it to the number 200. Don't forget to use the this keyword to access the properties. So why do we use the this again inside a constructor is that again for us is that it is for us to able to refer to the newly instantiated or created objects from any class, which in our case would be the platform. So perhaps if we create a new object from this class called platform, we will be able to refer to the current or any current object we refer to with the use of this, and which will allow us to access and modify properties, which is being stated from the instruction. So we are to add a property with and assign it to the number 200. Nice.